So let's look a little bit into the physiology of why yoga works. So the benefits of practicing yoga include strength, increasing strength, flexibility, and the ability to relax. But one of the main physiological purposes of yoga is to improve the circulation of information, energy, and matter throughout the body. Stimulation of the body circulation is one of the main ways yoga actually works. So yoga stimulates circulation by creating regions of differential pressures throughout the body. Energy and matters always tend to move from regions of high pressure to regions of low pressure. So as soon as pressure comes into existence in the body, there is a physiological tendency for energy, for example heat, or matter, for example blood and fluids, and information in the form of neurotransmitters, hormones and other subtle agents. So to move from region to region of high pressure towards the region of lower pressure. So when the pressure in one part of the body is increased, this pushes energy and matter away from the region in a manner similar to squeezing the water out of a sponge, for example. In other parts of the body, the pressure is reduced and this pulls energy and matter towards that region in a manner similar to putting a squash sponge in water and letting it expand or stretch, drawing water into it. So let's look at how yoga applies differential pressures. So for example, in muscle activation, that's increasing local pressure, and muscle relaxation, which decreases local pressure. So for example, in certain asanas, static asanas, or more dynamic flows and linking movements between asanas which engage the muscular pumps. So there are also specific pranayamas, breath control exercises, which change the pressure in the thorax and abdomen, as well as the normal actions of the respiratory pump. A reduction in abdominal and thoracic pressure causes inhalation, while an increase in pressure causes exhalation. There are also the effects of the force of gravity, especially noticeable in inverted and semi-inverted postures in the yoga system. And the effects of the asanas, the static postures, physically compress some parts of the body and increase local pressure, while stretching other parts of the body decrease local pressure. Also, there are the effects of the bandhas, which usually involve co-activation of opposing muscles across joints, either increase or decrease local pressures.